Good afternoon. Pakita ko lang po kung paano yung mag-change ng IP address sa ating digital weighing scale. So, press function and then enter 9002. Okay, 9002. Then press enter. Okay, magdi-display yung IP address. No. Ito yung first part 192 that kasi ipapalitan natin siya to 192.168.1.150 but currently ang IP address niya is ayan 192.168.0.150. So papalitan natin yung third part, yung 0 to 1. So para tayo pumunta ron sa third part, press natin yung tear. So press the tear. Yan. So nasa second part tayo. And then press tear again. So tear. Yan. Yan. So 0. So nasa third part na tayo. Ito yung papalitan natin. So press lang natin ng 1. And then press enter. Okay. Yan. So na-change na yung IP address niyan. So kung titignan natin ulit yung function 9002, then press enter. Ayan, so updated na yung third part niya, that one na. So aligned na ron sa ating current IP address. Thank you.